My name's Clyde Dunn. I'm the course director for the Extended Diploma in Creative Practice Graphic Design pathway. The course is designed to give learners the chance to develop their skills and knowledge and behaviours relevant to becoming practicing graphic designers ultimately. The course is for creative people who are interested in art and design and are particularly interested in the communication side of the visual arts, who want to explore how they can use their art to create those sorts of communication aimed at audiences. The course is assessed through the students generating work for projects that will meet the content of a range of units. There are 3 units in Year 1 and there are 3 units in Year 2. The first 3 units in Year 1 are designed to be more synoptic and aim to allow the students to develop relevant skills attached to graphic design. The second year units are more challenging and give the students to deepen their practice in areas of graphic design specialisms that particularly interest them, with a view to becoming competent and having a good portfolio of work for future employment or progression into higher education. The students do have to do work experience, and they have a number of routes into that work experience. Some students identify their own work experience. It needs to be relevant to graphic design. We have a fairly healthy number of live briefs that come to us, and we can often make work experience opportunities tie in with those.
I'm Ben Butters and I study graphic design. I chose the college because it was close to home and I also trust the courses here as well. I enjoy the freedom that's given and also the experience I'm gaining from it as well.
My name is Jasmine Nedja and I'm studying graphic design. I chose the course because I thought it was interesting and it'll be good for my future. I enjoy the freedom and how they treat us like adults.
My name's Jack Traylor, I'm studying graphic design level 3. I enjoy the freedom in college. It's much better to what you actually got in school, and I feel like I'm a young adult now. The facilities are really good and the teaching is definitely top notch. I've learned a lot since I've been here.
After the course I would like to start working and gain experience.
After the course I would like to move on to university or get a full-time job.
I just want to move on and find a full-time job, and I feel like this is the thing I want to do for a full-time job.
There are kind of 3 key routes forward. Some students choose a specialised apprenticeship linked to this specialism and will join local employers around an apprenticeship scheme with the structure that offers. Another route is students will go out into employment with small studios, occasionally larger studios, and will go down the employment route. Finally, the last tranche will choose higher education, where they'll look to go to university to study a BA Honours in visual communication or graphic design. What we're aiming to do is make sure the students are equipped to be able to engage with anything from operating as freelancers, if they're going to be a one-man band, as it were, right up to joining large corporate bodies who have internal design agencies, and everything in between, smaller studios, etc. At the kind of freelance or small studio end of the spectrum, they would tend to have to be more flexible and be able to operate across a range of graphic design specialisms, from maybe packaging design to editorial design to branding and marketing. If they go into a bigger corporate organisation, they may focus in graphic design output relevant to that business.